Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. And if you're just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, you are welcome. Consider subscribing to my channel, okay? So guys, you guys know what time it is. You know what time it is, yeah? So guys, I bring you guys Dossier perfume. And our theme for this year is New Year, New Scent, Signature for 2026. A scent that sets the tone for the year, okay? A scent that sets the tone for the year. That is Dossier perfume. Whatever this year brings, I have a scent for you, okay? If you have not shopped Dossier perfume, I don't know what you've been doing, and I don't know what perfume you have been using. This perfume has gotten me so much this perfume have gotten me so much compliments that I can't even begin to explain. Like at work, my work colleagues are like, I like the perfume you're wearing. What perfume is this? I keep telling them, you know, if I'm not wearing Dossier, what am I wearing? Right, guys, let me now unbox these beautiful ones here and show you guys. I got this beautiful fragrance from Dossier, and as always, whenever I get something nice, I always try to plug you guys in, yeah? So here we have Spicy Vetiver. So Spicy Vetiver is inspired by Hermes Terra de Hermes. Oh God, hope I did not murder it. Hermes Terra de Hermes. That's what is inspired by. So this is Spicy Vetiver. It's a very beautiful one. Can you guys see? You guys already know what this really is like. The cover thing, a magnetic cover. Oh, good God. Is Dossier or nothing? No cap. Is Dossier or nothing? This is amazing. This smells lovely. This smells so lovely. I'll put the top note, the base note, and the middle note for you guys. This smells lovely. Bougie. So the link to order this perfume will be right in my description. Check my description now and start shopping. So this is a new year. You don't want to snooze. You don't want to start this new year by snoozing. So if you are where you, head straight to my description now and start shopping Dossier perfume. Any perfume I've shown you guys here, any fragrance I've brought to you guys in this channel, best believe that it is the best. Like, no cap. Amazing. So Spicy Vetiver 100%. Here we go. So this is powdery coconut. So powdery coconut is inspired by Tom Ford's Soul Blanc. Powdery coconut. Let's try it on and see. Oh, this is lovely. I love the smell. I don't even know, like, you guys, these two perfumes, they smell heavenly. Can you guys up close? Good news, Dossier is finally available in the UK. They are finally available in the UK. So I don't know what's your excuse. So please do well to head to my description right now and start shopping. The link to these perfumes, the link, their website, everything will be right in my description. Okay? Happy shopping! How do you see your hair?
It looks beautiful.
Beautiful, yeah? Let's see the back. At least you'll carry it for school this week, okay? See your fine face. Right, so Tungwa. I'm done, babes. This girl, small girl.
Now it's time for me to list my bunny's baby's hair.
That is a tasty. Come on, put some cream on your hair because.
Wait, can I do it?
Sit down.
Carry that for you.
It's even finished. We need to buy another one.
Oh, thank you so much. Now off they go. They love to have superpowers.
So turn to me. Fine girl. You're feeling sleepy.
Forgot to do that.
This is feeling
to
sleepy.
me.
Let's see your own hair. Turn your back. Hey, turn to the front. Hey, hair. Turn to the side. Hey. Oh, come on. You guys' hair. Lovely, lovely. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, okay? And welcome to a new vlog. All right, hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. Yeah, so I want to quickly do this ironing. These are my kids' school uniforms. Yeah, so I want to quickly iron them now and arrange them. So these are the hangers I use. So the blue one is for Soso's clothes. Oh, gosh, scatter. So yeah, the blue ones are for Soso, while the pink ones are for Daisy. So I use the blue ones to arrange Soso's clothes Monday to Friday, her school uniforms Monday to Friday, and the pink one to arrange Adaise's clothes Monday to Friday, so that in the morning they just pick what they're wearing to school, get dressed, get ready by themselves. Like these kids they're big girls, so you guys should not want to you guys should not be looking at them like small girls. My girls are big girls. They get up in the morning by themselves. I will show you guys their morning routine. They wake up, make their bed, say their prayers. They come to my room, we say the prayers together. Sometimes they say it alone in their room. Do everything, go downstairs, brush their teeth, do everything. Adese helps her sister brush her teeth sometimes, but if I'm ready, I also help Soso brush her teeth. Yeah, so in fact, they basically do everything, get themselves ready. Then when I come to the kitchen, I'll just fix their food. Sometimes if it's cereal they're having, they make their cereal themselves. Adese makes the cereal herself, just to put milk, warm it up, put their cornflakes and they eat. But if it's something else that's not cereal, I make it for them and they get ready for school. So I just drop them off now in school, and I didn't finish doing the ironing last week. I only did for Monday, Tuesday before I went to work. So I have like Wednesday to Friday to do. So I want to quickly do this now and put them in the hanger. So yep. So let's do this ironing together. Put this one in the hanger like this, then the shirt like this, and then her cardigan like this. So like this is a set she can wear to school tomorrow. So I put it in their dressing rail like this. So in the morning, once they're all ready to dress up, they just pick up this, wear their singlets, wear their pop sauce, dress up, put on their tie, and boom, their jacket, and boom, they're good to go. So that is how I do it, make it easy for myself. And yo, I'm done ironing now, and this one here is a Daisy's uniform set in a pink hanger, and this one is also Swan in a blue hanger. So yeah, let me now show you guys how I arrange them in the rail for them. Let's go. So guys, as I was telling you guys, this is the rail, the dressing up rail, where I hang their school uniform. It's like a 2-section rail. At the back over there, these are my coats, my jackets, just something I'll just throw on top and wear if I'm going out. And on this section here, this is where I arrange their school uniform. As you can see, these are their school uniforms that are here. So these are the ones I've ironed so far. So this is Soso's set. We'll pop it here. And this is a Daisy set. And we pop it here. So there are still more to iron, but so far this is how it is. So when they want to dress up for school, Soso knows her hanger color is blue, she just takes this. And Daisy knows her hanger color is pink, she just takes this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's basically it. I just said to show you guys. That's how I've been doing it. That's how we've been doing it, and everything has been going well. So I don't know if I showed you guys already. I think I did. If I didn't, I'll still insert the clip because I'm sure I recorded it. So I ordered an alarm clock, and if I'm waking her up for school, she will not want to wake up, so I bought this alarm. I ordered an alarm clock, and that alarm clock has been so helpful. I set it for 7 o'clock, so every 7 o'clock in the morning, Daisy wakes up. The moment she wakes up, she wakes her sister up, and then I wrote out something like a morning routine for her that she follows step by step to get ready for school. So let me show you guys the alarm clock, and the morning routine is in their room. Let's go. So guys, this is the morning routine I wrote. Morning routine: wake up, tidy bed, pray, brush teeth, exercise, because Daisy does her exercise every day, unpack dishes, eat, dress up, rest, go to school. So that over there is the morning routine I just showed you guys, and this is her alarm clock. So this is her alarm clock. This alarm clock has been super helpful, like so this alarm clock is just on top of the stool over in that corner. So in the morning, once she wakes up, once the alarm rings in the morning, she wakes up and gets ready for school. So yeah, that's where the alarm clock is, as she sleeps on the bed there. So guys, I got this PR package from Dossier. In here we have about 7 or 8 boxes of Dossier perfume. Let me tell you something. If you have not shopped Dossier perfume, oh god, I don't know why you haven't. I'm going to be unboxing this bit by bit, and I'll be showing you guys. And very soon we're also going to be doing a giveaway in this channel, Dossier perfume giveaway. So if you're interested, of course I know you're interested, so just stick around, stay glued to this channel, okay, so that once the giveaway time comes up, you will know, and you will know how to participate, and you will like to participate, and you will participate. Right, so I just got this PR delivered a couple of days ago. least this cornflakes will last like a month. Yeah, because my kids, they love their cornflakes so much. Like, can't even explain how much they love their cornflakes. So I just bought these two, and this will last a long time. Yeah, so I'll be going to work now, and today is Sunday. I'm supposed to upload a vlog today, but I don't think I will have the time. I've started editing the vlog, but I've not finished yet. And see the time. What's the time? This is 8:30. I need to be on my way now, and it's kind of snowy. Oh God, I don't even know how I'm going to be driving to work on this road. I hate it when it snows. I don't like to drive in the snow. But anyhow, I have to go to work. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. I will upload the vlog. I don't know how today it's gonna be. But anywho, hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. Yeah. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.